Herzlich willkommen zurück bei SmackDown vs. Raw 2010. Wir werden in der 7. Woche nun in dieses Tag Team Match eintreten. Ja, wir werden das jetzt einfach einmal machen. Mal schauen, was weitergeht, wie es weitergeht. Ich habe keine Ahnung. Wir wissen nur, dass Natalya der größte Fan von der Mickie James ist. Und ich nehme mal an, dass dieses Fangetue seitens Natalya, ich sage mal, ein bisschen ein falsches Spiel sein wird. Ja.
Are there two Mickie James? There must have been a 2-for-1 sale on ring gear. That's Natalya.
Aber wir werden das spätestens jetzt nach dem Match erfahren. Hoffe ich heute mal.
And there's the monkey flip. An elbow. And Mickie James takes charge.
So.
Oh, wow.
Ziemlich dynamisch, die kleine Mickie.
A vicious elbow drop.
Okay, gut.
With a lot of force. That's a move that'll disorient you. Oh, the elbow connects.
Na komm her. Lass dich doch zerlegen.
What fantastic extension on that leg drop.
So.
Oh! Oh my God! Here it comes! Mickie hits the DDT.
Genau, Jerry Lawler.
There they go! The quick kick. She's seen enough, and here she comes. There's a nice move. Oh, what an elbow drop.
So.
She's standing, but she's staggering. Here we go. Irish whip.
Na sterb, Beth. Ich will dich noch verprügeln.
Elbow connects again. Oh, what a shot.
So.
What a display of power. One.
Ah Gott, Grütze, fix noch einmal.
And there's a stiff clothesline. And she's toast.
Was? She's close? Na down, wenn sie so close ist, dann soll sie halt so close sein. Im Klosett.
I think that's a tag.
Den hat sicher noch keiner braucht.
Oh, that did it.
Ah! Ein Schlag auf den Hinterkopf erhöht das Denkvermögen.
Good night. Did they get the tag? Yes.
Oh yes, baby! Hoppala! Oh!
Oh, did she take a shot there?
So Mädel, jetzt sag mir, was der Hard Dungeon kann. Kann der ein Sharpshooter auch? Normalerweise ist er da... Ja, sicher. Dankeschön für die Aufmerksamkeit. Thanks for your attention.
Oh, sent flying off the apron.
Naja, das schaut nicht gut aus.
Love a woman that shows passion. Oh, clothesline.
Ein Clothesline. Bah. Die macht gern übertraten Auerbach-Salto. Auch schön.
There they go. And that
Oh.
was with the force of a big rig. Oh, ow! A stiff axe handle. Ouch! The force, my God.
Boah, also der hat jetzt gesessen, ha? Schön, sehr schön. Ah, da.
Irish whip. And she drops like a sack of potatoes. That'll do some damage. A swift kick. Bam, another kick. And Michelle answers
Scheiße.
back. Oh!
Der Nudel hat mein Dings, den Move auskontert. Shit, jetzt fall ich zurück. Das ist nicht gut.
That was a heavy shot.
Dropkick.
And that's a
Boah,
shot that could drop
die Watschen hat jetzt auch gesessen, ha?
She's going for it.
Powerbomb. Ja,
Great move by Natalia. This is the type of offense you have to maintain against a competitor with this much strength. Oh yeah, you can't let up for 1 second against this power.
ich hab mir's glatt gedacht.
Oh man. Dropped. And that was a hard
So, Micky,
Looks like a
eine mit
tag
dir.
to me. There they go. Whoa, what a hit.
So.
He does it again.
Sehr gut.
And he falls hard.
Hoppala.
Oh, there it is.
Genau das wollte ich.
What's going to happen now? And there's the head scissor. 3. Come on, get back in the ring. 1. 2. Here we go. Irish whip. Come on, talk about getting flattened. 4.
Na, was los, ha? Du Düsen da.
5. Careening spine first into the barricade. 6. Oh, she does it again. 7. Don't think I won't count you out. Oh, man, what a shot. 9.
Das war jetzt knapp. Aber arschknapp. Du Düsen da.
Oh, a stiff shot with the elbow. There they go. A shoulder block. Talk about catching a beating.
So. Ein Tritt ins Kreuz.
Mama.
Ja, genau, die Mama.
Again. And there's the monkey flip. I think that's a tag. What a vicious spear. Oh, mama, look at this.
Powerbomb.
Great move by Natalia.
Ja, Powerbomb ist immer. Ja.
1, 2, 3.
Ja!
They won the match. What a win for these two talented divas. They really excelled. Hey, maybe if you dressed like me, you'd be a better commentator. I don't think so, King. We'll see you next Monday, folks.
Mickey, that was awesome. You were awesome.
Thanks, Natalia. You were great too.
Really? You really think so? That means the world to me, coming from you.
Yeah. So, anyway, I wanted to ask you about your outfit.
Oh, this? Isn't it great? I figured that if we were teaming together, we should match.
I guess that makes sense.
I just knew you'd feel that way, Mickey.
Thanks for joining us for Monday Night Raw, live from Indianapolis. With Jerry the King Lawler, I'm Michael Cole. I'm excited, Michael. Two of my favorite WWE superstars are competing for the Intercontinental Championship. It'll be the Brian Kendrick challenging William Regal right here tonight.
Hey girl, phone tag. Thanks for agreeing to come down to the ring with me for my match against Regal. A shot at the Intercontinental Championship is a huge opportunity, and it'll be great to have you by my side.
Vielen Dank, dass du für mein Match mit in den Ring steigst. Aha. Oh, das kann lustig werden, hergekommen. Das Match haben wir noch Zeit. Okay, 7 Minuten, das ist ja 11 Minuten Erfolg, das war lächerlich. ...34 Tage noch.
Brian Kendrick will be pitting his high-flying athleticism against the no-nonsense style of William Regal. And we have the women's champion at ringside. Oh, mama! Boy, did he get dropped or what? Beth Phoenix doing here? She must still be bitter about losing the women's championship. And again. What a nasty elbow.
Na gut, dann kümmern wir uns mal um die Beth. Hilft eh nix.
That's a move that'll disorient you.
Sakraxen erst da. Sicher, der hat sich zwar schnell erholt vor den 7-8 Schlägen mit dem Stuhl. Boah!
Kendrick was so caught up in trying to protect Mickey James that he's been counted out of the match. So much for winning the Intercontinental Championship. Boy, that William Regal sure is a class act. Now that was just uncalled for. Regal already won the match.
Stop this. Things have gotten out of hand. Interruptions, countouts. This isn't how a championship match should go. We're going to have a match at No Way Out. Mickey James and the Brian Kendrick versus Regal and Beth Phoenix in a winner-take-all match. The winning side gets both the women's and the Intercontinental titles.
What a match for No Way Out. Both the Intercontinental and Women's Championship titles up for grabs in the same match. Don't miss it.
Nö, das werden wir sicher nicht verpassen. Das werden wir gleich machen.
We're live in the Motor City for No Way Out with Jerry the King Lawler. I'm Michael Cole, and the stakes are high tonight.
Mickie James and William Regal could lose their championships tonight without even getting pinned.
After a ruckus on Raw last Monday, Shane McMahon demanded a winner-take-all match tonight.
The Brian Kendrick and Mickie James are taking on William Regal and the Glamazon Beth Phoenix. The winning team will bring home all the gold.
Hey, partner. Good luck tonight. I mean, I know you don't really need it, but I just wanted to make sure you know that I'm thinking of you. If you need anything at all, I'm just a phone call away.
Na, dass sowas gibt, sie ist nur einen Anruf entfernt. Dieser Ärger wie das Finanzamt. So, da. Jo. Passt. Okay, speichern erfolgreich. Wir werden gleich in dieses schöne Match
Both
gehen.
Beth and Regal deserve a beating tonight. We should make sure they get what they deserve.
They get what they deserve. Na bitte, Gorsche. Das werden wir wohl noch irgendwie hinkriegen. Winner take all match. Scheiße, wie funktioniert denn das von den Regeln her? Keine Ahnung. Ich weiß es nicht. Matchregeln da. Pin ein, K.O. aus, Submission, Rope Break, Disqualifikation 1.
Here we go.
Okay.
It's winner-take-all in this mixed tag team showdown.
That's right. The winners walk away with the Intercontinental Championship and the Women's Championship.
Did you hear that? What
So.
Mickey's building momentum. And he's in there trying to get something going for his partner.
Oh, did she take a shot there?
Bulldog driving the opponent face first to the floor.
Hui!
Flip.
Jolly Good Show. Na bitte.
There they go. One.
Ich finde schade, ich hätte mir gedacht, das ist ja so nicht so ein Match ohne Disqualifikation. Das war geil gewesen.
One.
Aber was soll man machen?
Effect on that kick.
Es hätte nicht sollen sein, dass es nicht hätte sein sollen.
Irish whip. She's standing, but she's staggered. Ooh.
Oh my, look at this.
DDT!
Mickey hits the DDT.
Halt da.
Timber, and he falls hard. Oh man.
Platsch! Der hat gesessen, Baby! Das war er hat gesessen, Blues. Der ist ungefähr gleichzusetzen mit der Ballade vom Koffer.
A flying forearm.
shot. Oh, that did it. That one rocked him.
And that's a stiff kick.
Oh, talk about getting flattened.
So, komm her, Mädel. Die schreit auch wie ein verunglücktes Händel.
And there's the flying forearm.
So.
Striking with the axe handle. Good night.
Jawohl, gute Nacht. Oh my darling, oh my darling.
Oh, there it is. Oh, after that, you're not seeing stars. You're looking at constellations. He's still not through. And that shot was dialed in.
Ich wollte eigentlich eher mal rausschmeißen, aber wenn es nicht geht.
Oh, wow. The shoulders are down. 1, 2.
We've got everybody going at it now. Kendrick and Mickey are
Ja Gott, die wird noch so viel, die wird noch so oft an über die Mütze kriegen, dass sie sich nicht mehr auskennt.
A swift kick. She's in bad shape here. She's got to make the tag. Oh, look at that forearm.
Weil sie so Lust kriegt auf WWE spielen, das ist ein Wahnsinn. So.
Quick position change.
A flying forearm.
So.
Oh! And that one hit with the force of a big rig. Oh,
Ah!
whip.
Gut auskontert von der Beth, muss ich schon sagen. Ja, das ist
What an incredible lariat.
geil gemacht von ihr.
Mickey nearly took her opponent's head off there.
And will this be it? 1, 2, 3.
Ja!
They got it.
Kendrick and Mickey have done it. They'll be leaving as the Intercontinental and Women's Champions respectively.
Do you know, a championship win would have helped a few of the relationships I was in.
We're out of time, but we'll be sure to catch up with the championship couple tomorrow night on Raw. Welcome to Monday Night Raw. Michael Cole with Jerry the King Lawler here in the city of brotherly love.
Speaking of love, WWE has a championship couple, the Brian Kendrick and Mickey James.
They flourished in their winner-take-all match at No Way Out. Mickey retained the Women's Championship, while Kendrick won the Intercontinental title. Can anything stop these two?
Brian, I need to talk to Mickey for a second. Sorry, it's a team thing.
Can it wait, Natalia? We're kind of having a private moment.
No, actually, it can't wait.
I think that's for Mickey to decide.
Please tell Brian to...
Brian, we have plenty of time for private moments. Let me talk with Natalia for a bit.
Okay. I respect your decision.
So, what's up?
Well, I was just thinking, would it be okay if I tried to become the #1 contender?
Of course it's okay. I mean, that's why we're in the WWE, right? We're competitors.
You're not offended? Oh, you're the awesomest, Mickey. Thanks!
Tja, was soll ich dir dazu sagen? Es kam, wie es kommen musste. Der Fan drehte durch, er drehte am Rad. Er drehte am seelischen Leichenrad der Zeit. Au! Du Potsau! Der war jetzt geil! Monkey Flip. Cool.
That'll cause some damage. Oh no, the referee is down. What's going to happen now? Oh, talk about getting
Jetzt darf ich mir für 2 Minuten durchprügeln. Bis er dieser Schiedsrichter-Idiot wieder aufwacht, ne? Ah!
That one didn't land flush, but it did connect. Mickey wants to fly. That elbow did some damage. Mickey to the top rope.
Wie ist denn der Dings gegangen? Der... Genau der.
Frog splash.
Genau der Frog Splash. Das ist eher so Jeff Hardy-Aktion, ne?
Certainly Maurice
Weil ich so Lust krieg jetzt wieder auf die WWE-Spiele. Unglaublich.
Well, a loss sure wouldn't help her cause. That's like running headfirst into a brick wall, ladies and gentlemen.
Batsch!
Bam!
Was hat er jetzt gesagt? Mayhem? Ja, das ist wirklich Mayhem. So.
Here we go.
Geile Mucke übrigens.
Drops like a sack of potatoes. Oh, mama!
Was, Mama? Ah! Stunner!
Neck break.
Führt eigentlich nur mehr Bierdusche vom Stone Cold Steve Austin nebenbei.
A shot there.
Für die Menschen, die hungrig und durstig sind, Manni.
Once again, what a
Hungrig.
drop.
So, da.
I love a woman that shows passion. Ooh, that was a heavy shot.
Na komm! Boah!
And there's the flying forearm. Oh, ow!
Aber wie hab ich das vorhin gemacht? Warte mal.
A flying forearm. Oh!
So. Was hast du jetzt vorgehabt, Puppen?
Look at this. Faces we see can be very, very vicious. Maurice is
Naja.
the last person you'd want to turn your back on.
So delicious
Again,
ist sie nicht.
if you did that, you couldn't see her. Ooh, a serious knockout blow.
Ja genau, der blowt wirklich. Der blowt.
That'll do some damage.
Dann hauen wir ihr wieder einer in die Schnauzen, damit sie gleich so schön träumt vom Land der Träume. Hurricane Rana, bitte. Ja, das ist natürlich auch ein sehr probates Mittel. Ja, das kann man lassen. Gefällt mir.
Up goes Mickey. A stiff shot with the elbow. That
Na
should be
komm.
right there. 1, 2, 3.
Danke.
James won a match. Mickey James has successfully defeated some stiff competition here on Raw.
She's shaping up to be one of the most dominant divas I've ever seen.
Speaking of dominant divas, I've heard a rumor we may have another world-renowned diva next week. You don't want to miss it. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Monday Night Raw. I'm Michael Cole with Jerry the King Lawler, and tonight we have a very special guest.
Trish Stratus is here, one of the most beautiful and most talented divas of all time.
And she'll get to witness two other great competitors, as Mickey James will go against SmackDown's Michelle McCool.
Your little girlfriend Natalia couldn't stop me from getting closer to the Women's Championship. Silly girl. Nobody can get in the way of me taking back what's rightfully mine. You might as well not even try.
Na bitte, jetzt wisst ihr es auch. Wir haben noch genau 20 Tage bis zur WrestleMania 25. Ja. Jetzt werden wir gleich mal schauen, inwiefern sich diese Trish Stratus mit integrieren wird in die ganze Geschichte. Und ich verabschiede mich dort mal von euch. Bis zum nächsten Mal und Baba.